Wireless gamepad. The gamepad comes in 5 combinations of 3 style variants of wired, dual dongle wireless and dual dongle wireless, combined with 4 pattern variants of gamepad plus gaming mousepad speed type, gamepad plus wired gamepad plug, gamepad and gamepad plus gaming mousepad control type. This Redgear gamepad features 2.4 GHz wireless technology that supports up to 10 meters range. This wireless gamepad is the ideal choice for those looking to enjoy your favorite games without the hassle of cables and wires. The gamepad comes with a plug-and-play feature which does not require any driver to be installed before gaming. The latest games can run with this feature. The gamepad is ergonomically designed and comes with backlit illuminated keys that makes gaming highly comfortable and aesthetic. It comes equipped with a total of 11 digital keys, including 2 analog triggers and 2 analog sticks for an easy and powerful gaming experience. The gamepad has an integrated dual-intensity motor which allows a realistic gaming experience. You can experience the crashes, bumps and shots with a realistic and intense vibration. The new turbo mode in the gamepad allows you to configure your weapons to shoot in bursts. It gives you a tactile advantage in shooting games. The built-in 550 mAh lithium-ion battery in this gamepad allows you to game like a pro for up to 10 hours on a single charge. A single charge for up to 30 minutes can provide uninterrupted gameplay for up to 2 hours. The gamepad is X-input and direct input compatible and comes with a dedicated switch for shifting between the modes. It supports platforms like Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1 and Windows.
Built for the professional gamer who wants to experience their favorite console ports on a PC. Now let's quickly unbox and see what's on the inside. The plug-and-play Windows-compatible wired controller requires no setup at all. The brushless dual-intensity motors will give you the feeling of being in the battlefield. From your weapon's recoil to every explosion, it'll all feel real. We have the user manual right here, which will tell you all you need to know about the controller. There's a durable 1.8 meter long USB cable with a Type-A connector at the end. The inputs of the gamepad are 2 analog sticks and 2 triggers along with 11 digital keys. You can toggle between X and direct input modes at the click of a button, and the turbo mode is specially designed to switch to burst mode on your weapon in first-person shooters. So simply plug it in and keep that kill counter rolling.